Hello friends, welcome to Ashit Traders. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the renewable energy sector. So friends, I done so many of videos multiple times. I mentioned about renewable energies and still how the scope for these renewable energies and why I picked power stocks over ethanol blending and going forward. If you see this news today news, so Warren Buffett's business partners Charlie Munger invested in Australian company Stonehouse Corporation. This is one news. We will look into it in detail. And number two, so uh, Warren Buffett sir beefs up his uh, Occidental bet again push his tag to 18.7%. This is another news. So if you see here what this latest one. So energy stocks are cheap. Just ask Warren Buffett, sir. And if you observe here the recent updates about Warren Buffett, sir. See here. Buffett's companies have pulled more than $9 billion into oil gas companies since March, in this March. So from this March, so SAR invested in oil and gases majorly and nearly 2 billions over past 3 years. So this much of investments are doing from the last few days. And next thing, if you observe here, uh, they invested in a Australian company, so which is like a renewable sector, friends. So majorly the company which deals with renewable energy. So that is the major reason for today's energy sector performance is very good. If you see here, uh, wait a minute at all. I'll show you. See here. So Warren Buffett sir snaps two Australian solar frames and big PV and storage pipeline. So this is like BP. This is one of the biggest energy sector company buys 40% stack in a renewable energy project. So this is how very big actually renewable energy sector. So very few losing hope. So previously also on Adani Green Energy, I clearly explained about the stock and whenever a huge up move, sell at upper level. So I clearly mentioned and I done a video also how to book profit at a sharp rally at this level. At this level, I done a video and after that it went down and at this level I done a video to buy at what levels and the reason behind why I said to enter at this level also. And if you observe here today, so today this is Adani Green Energy chart. So it's a purely renewable energy uh, company. So that's why the see this is the volume 7.5 millions. So if you observe here, so this is 7.5 millions after dry up. This is the first volume upside. So this is how we see. So see here, so Warren Buffett are invested in two Australian solar farms and big PV and solar pipeline. So this is their investment which they invested 2 days back. The news came out and this one see here. BP is one of the biggest oil energy sector, oil and energy related company which buys 40% stack in renewable energy projects. So I am not telling that these are buying renewable energy like Adani Green, but the same sector where these big people investing means there is still scope for those industry in coming years. So that is what I am mentioning here. So in this Australian sale, maybe somewhat they done a stake sale. Due to that, so many invested in these Australia renewable energy bed. So I think it's looking good for renewable energy sector in coming days. And one of the solar manufacturer Borosil Renewables also going to benefit indirectly. Why? Because in Europe already these they bought a company. So when you see the upside breakout of this channel, we are going to see a big move in coming days. And I clearly mentioned it's a bullish shortfall and see up movement. So this is what we are looking, friends. And my friends asking why it moved. So in our Telegram channel, I already mentioned yesterday itself by sharing this article. So that's how things will change when we have fundamental analysis in our hand. So even before volumes we will enter into the stock, or even before rally we accumulate the stock. So this is Purushottam, and thank you for subscribing to our channel Ashit Traders. So I am giving my Telegram link in description or first comment session. So please join, friends. Thank you very much.